Good evening, friends. This is Hindu vocabulary for all competitive exams. Transitional, it's an adjective. It is intermediate. That is not permanent, it's intermediate. Synonyms are middle, midway, antonyms, initial. Example sentence: a transitional government had been appointed. हिंदी में कुछ दिया है, I am not able to read. माध्यमिक, माध्यमिक. Expatriate, it's an adjective. Its meaning is emigrant. जो कंट्री से बाहर जा रहे हैं उनको emigrant बोल रहा हूँ. Synonyms: non-native, displaced. Antonyms: native, opposite is a native. Example sentence: expatriate workers were returning to their cities. इसमें हिंदी में क्या दिया? प्रवासी. करेक्ट? प्रवासी और प्रवासी. हाँ, no. It is ba or ba. Prabasi. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay. Next one. Directive. It's a noun. Directing in meaning instruction. Synonyms क्या है? Direction और command. Antonyms क्या है? Lawlessness. Example sentence: a new election commission directive has been forwarded for approval. हिंदी में क्या लिखा? निर्देशात्मक, निर्देशात्मक. डायरेक्टिव. आउटलॉ, इट्स अ वर्ब. बैन, आउटलॉ का मतलब मना करना. बैन. सिनोनिम्स: बार, प्रोहिबिट, बार, prohibit. Antonyms: permit. Example sentence: secondary picketing has finally been outlawed. That means it has been banned. हिंदी में क्या दिया है इसका? गैर कानूनी दोबित करना. Next, disastrous, it's an adjective. Catastrophic is the meaning. Synonyms: calamitous, cataclysmic. ये तो बहुत बहुत नया वर्ड है. cataclysmic का. इसमें हिंदी में क्या दिया? उत्पादक का. Antonyms: fortunate. Example sentence: a disastrous fire swept through the museum. Isolation, it's a noun. Separation. Synonym क्या है? Segregation, quarantine. Antonym क्या है? Contact. Example sentence: isolation from family and friends may also contribute to anxiety. हिंदी में क्या दिया? Isolation, एकांत. करेक्ट? ओए बाबा, बढ़िया. एकांत. Next, number 9. Rigorous. It's an adjective meaning strict. Synonyms: severe, stern. Antonym क्या? Lax, not strict होता है. Example: rigorous controls on mergers are needed. Spark, it's a verb. अच्छा, ये previous वाला rigorous को हिंदी में क्या दिया? Sorry, not able to read. Spark, verb. इसमें give rise to. Synonyms: cause, set in motion. Antonyms: bring to an end. Example sentence: the trial sparked a furious row. Spark, pataba dena. Next question. Mandatory, it's an adjective. Obligatory, mandatory का मतलब जरूर करना है. Synonyms: compulsory और binding. Antonyms: optional. Example sentence: wearing helmets was made mandatory for pedal cyclists, or probably for this is in abroad, but India में तो for two wheelers. What is Hindi word for this? अनिवार्य, अनिवाद, अनिवादक, I don't know. Steep, adjective, precipitous. Steep, precipitous. Synonyms: sheer, abrupt. Antonym: gentle. She pushed the bike up the steep hill. Next, allegations. It's a noun meaning a claim or assertion that someone has done something illegal or wrong, typically one made without proof. Synonyms: accusation, charge, claim. Antonyms क्या है? Exculpation, denial. Example क्या है? While some of these allegations are true, the last certainly is false. Cognizance. Cognizance का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Knowledge और awareness. Synonym क्या है? Attention, bearing, cognition. Antonyms: disregard, heedlessness. Example: the Chinese who have been with Chinese cognizance, but not under Chinese protection. Portray. Portray का मीनिंग क्या है? Describe. Someone or something को describe करना. In a particular way. Portray in a particular way. Synonyms क्या है? Characterize, depict, describe. Antonyms: confuse, mix up, obscure, not clear. Example: I thought him as a true representative of the people as ever theory could portray. Prati, kriti, manana, banana. Okay, decimating verb meaning kill, destroy, remove a large proportion of. Synonyms: annihilate, exterminate, obliterate. Antonyms क्या है? Bear, build, create. Example: you meant to let the royal blood and to decimate the nobility of France. Envoy, noun, a messenger or representative. Synonyms: delegate, diplomat, emissary. Antonyms: receiver. Example: this will be confirmed by your official attendant who will be an envoy's courier. Conference, samana karna, meaning come face to face with someone with hostile or argumentative intent. Synonyms: accost, defy, encounter. Antonyms क्या है? Avoid, dodge. Example: our eyes are shut to the damning factors which confront us on every side. Unsubstantiated, niradhar, meaning not supported or proven by evidence. Synonyms क्या है? Debatable, dubious, unsupported. Antonyms क्या है? Certain, sure. Example: as yet he could not reveal his unsubstantiated information to another. Mercenaries, meaning a professional soldier hired to serve in a foreign army. Synonyms: warrior, hireling. Example: his citizens have no silver or gold of their own, but are ready enough to pay them to their mercenaries. So we will stop with this. Another balance is there, 50%. Maybe I can give you as the next one, because I know many of you may not be able to take it up immediately. Mercenaries, MER. Yeah, I will type it out here. Mercenaries. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes.